With the Big Four video. My name is Sonali Borse and my subject is Artificial Intelligence. I'm working in an MPS to MP Shapur. These are the details of Big 1 video and second one are Big 2 video. The video outcomes are we have to firstly I focuses on artificial intelligence concepts, then ISO standard and carbon emissions. The first introduction of AI. AI is the branch of computer science which deals with the intelligence of the machine, where an intelligence agent is a system that takes the action of maximize its chance of success. It is study of ideas which enable computer to do things that make people seem intelligent. The central principle of AI includes such as reasoning, knowledge, planning, learning, communication, perception, ability to move and manipulate the objects. It is the science and the engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer program. There are different artificial intelligence methods. The methods can be divided into the two broad categories. Symbolic AI, which focuses on a development of knowledge-based system, and the computation intelligence, which includes the method as neural network, fuzzy system, evolutionary computing. A brief introduction to this AI method is given below. Each method is discussed more detail in different section of this circular. KBS, knowledge-based system. A KBS can be defined a computer system capable giving advice in a particular domain, utilize the knowledge provided by the human expert. A distinguished features of KBS lies in a separation behind the knowledge, which can represent the number of ways such as rule, frame, or cases, and the interface engines or algorithm which use the knowledge base arrives at the conclusion. Next one is neural network. The biological inspired system consists of massively connected network for computational neurons, organized in a layer. By adjusting the weights of the network, and then can neural network can be trained the approximately virtual and the non-linear function to require degree of accuracy. The neural network typically are provided with the set of inputs and output exemplars. A learning algorithm such as backpropagation would then use to adjust the weight in a network so that the network would be give the desired output in the type of learning commonly called as supervised learning. The definition of AI. The computer will ability to mimic or duplicate the function of human brain. Artificial intelligence is a study of how the computer system can stimulate the intelligent process such as learning, reasoning, and understanding symbolic information in the context. It is a science and engineering of making intelligent machine, especially intelligent computer program. It is related to the similar task using the computer to understand human intelligence. The branch of computer science that is concerned with the automation of intelligence behavior. The AI has a different standard which will be given in the table format with the reference number. We can follow that standard as follow: AI management system standard, AI system engineering, dissemination on outreach, etc. Foundation standard, data standard. The next we have focuses on the carbon emission, energy and the policy considerations for the deep learning in NLP by Emma Strubel and Andrew Magan has been making the round recently. While the paper itself threw off full and the major the deadlines and tweet have been misleading, the titles of deep learning model have a massive carbon footprints. One especially responsible article summarize and the average of the shelf can emit over 6 to 6,000 pounds of carbon dioxide, which is uh, egregious misinterpretation. The common carbon footprint benchmarks as follow: round flight, human life, American life. These are the give the different parameters here. The different conclusion are the actual carbon footprint of the model training is probably not big deal, but it could be in a future. Carbon footprint of the model inference is the big deal right now. The rapidly increasing GPU, CPU and GPU cost of the training is the problem today for the several reasons and expect the get the worst machine learning practitioners are the wasting a ton of resources or the redundant training. The example model of this transfer with the neural architecture search, in which the end of the term computation cost was almost anyone recently does in 2019. For example, more represent, representative task is training standard neural net inception on a image at 95% accuracy of recognized object in a picture take around 40 GPU hours, which will consume around 10 kilowatt and produce around 10 lbs of CO2, which is equivalent around to 2 to 3 4 running in a central air condition. A typical machine learning practitioners that we see the weight and the bias might have big 8 GPUs at their disposal. They don't come closer to the 100% of utilization. Even if they did, the energy consumption would be around 2 kilowatt. If there is a 1 lakh machines in learning practitioner out there, probably generates total training consumption would be 200 megawatt. That no much more energy and probably less carbon emission than the keeping a single 747 airplane in the sky. Another way looking on a deep learning impact is looking the NVIDIA sales. See, NVIDIA provides the processor most people use the training. Q1 2019, their data center revenue is $701 million dollar, which will be means that the sold are order of magnitude of 1 lakh GPUs for the data center. Even if all GPUs are training model, again unlikely we reach to similar conclusion. The graph shows the which will be I given into the text. Why the machine learning could begin the significant fraction of carbon emission in future. Just because of model training is probably not measure the carbon produced today doesn't mean that we should not be looking at what its impact might be in future. Although typically machine learning practitioner might be only use the 8 GPUs to train the model, and the Google, Facebook, OpenAI and the other larger organization use can much and much higher. The US Department of Energy brought the 27648 Volta GPU for their Oak Ridge and the supercomputer that are planned to use the deep learning, which would be consume around megawatt of 100% of utilization. The recent trend in deep learning is clearly to order magnitude more computed. That means order of magnitude more energy and the climate impact use. Because the impacting might be small today, it could change rapidly if trends continue. OpenAI has an excellent blog post, AI and the compute, which shows the rapid increase of compute cost built in state art model.